fourth section, we will see the what is encapsulation, why we are using hoops, and what is hoops concept. And also we have seen types of inheritance, what is inheritance and types of inheritance. Now we are seeing in this section we are seeing example for inheritance and what is polymorphism and what is abstraction. We have to see. Now coming to the example for inheritance, first of all you have to take some class like person. Inside the person, we are writing as student, some person ID in ID, some string name, some extra string email, some string gender, etc. These are the variables inside we are writing the person, and then and we will take another class like student. It will extend the properties from the class person, extends the person. That means it will extend the properties, all properties from the person, and in the inside the student. That means we will get the student ID, student name, student email, student gender. So we are and adding some extra functionalities like student marks, like total, student total. That means int total inside this, and also int sum, int grade. These are the properties we are externally adding some functionalities. And also we have to take some on another class. Okay, we have to take another class as employee, which will be extends like from the person. Inside that we have some HRES, some TRFs, some TRFs, and some PFs, etc. These are all externally we are adding some properties. So class person also extends. Class student is extends the from the person, and the class employee also extends the same person. So without writing the properties in multiple repeated orders, we are only writing the properties, that means variables inside a single container in one time, and we are using the reusable. That means the main advantage for the inheritance is nothing but reusability. So reusability is nothing but reusing of variables and methods in different classes. That means if you want to, before inheritance, we are writing these all properties. That means ID, name, email, gender, these all properties you will write in student as well as employee also. After inheritance, that means we are using the inheritance, we will write this similar properties in here another class. We are extending that class. So reusability is very useful by using the inheritance. So that's the main advantage for inheritance. And that's all for the inheritance. The main basic example. This is the and for third one is nothing but abstraction. Abstraction, abstraction. Abstraction is nothing but it is used to it is used to gathering required data to gathering or to getting the required data and hiding the implementations or hiding the functionalities, hiding the hiding the implementations is nothing but abstraction, hiding the implementations. Okay. For example, in real time scenario, we will use ATM machines. Example, ATM, ATM machines. And when we click on withdraw option, withdraw. Okay, just a minute. I will buy like if you take as ATM machine, ATM, then we click on withdraw option. That means when a user is came and then you will use the ATM machine. Just on the right user, okay, he will use the ATM machine. He will click on the withdraw button. When the user click on the withdraw button, and it will go through the okay. When the user click on the ATM machine withdraw button, then some hiding implementations are happening. Some when we click on the withdraw button, we will go through the developer. The developer can write the logics right. Some first of all, first step is used to upload. It is connected to the database. First, we have to put the ATM card or anything. Then we click on the withdraw button. First step is used to it will connect with the database. Database. DB means nothing but database. And second one, second step, if it is connected to the database, it will check whether the details is correct or not. If the details is correct, it will check the details is correct or not. If it is correct, okay. Then it will check the balance inquiry. That means if balance is present or not. If balance is present or not. If it is present, okay. Then it will check if balance is present. Then there are two buttons. That means uh, release cash, release release the cash, and the second button is for withdraw. That means update the amount, update the cash, update the account. After releasing the cash, the automatically update the account. If there is no balance, that means insufficient balance, it will print as a error message like no balance, error message like not sufficient balance or no balance. Okay, these implementations are hiding by using the abstraction. We cannot see these implementations. When we click on withdraw button, these are internally hiding. That means the developer can know. We cannot know about these implementations. So by using abstraction only, we will use. And coming to the fourth one, what polymorphism. Polymorphism. Polymorphism is nothing but it's same identity. It, means same identity with different behaviors. Just a minute. Poly is nothing but many. Poly means many, and morphous. Morphous is nothing but forms. That means simply anything that can be exist in a many forms is nothing but polymorphism or same identity with different behaviors is nothing but also polymorphism. Same identity and with different behaviors is nothing but polymorphism. Polymorphisms are two types. You can consider two types. Compile them polymorphism, and the second one is runtime polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism. Morphism, and the second one is for runtime polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism. First of all, we have to learn about polymorphism. Polymorphism, for example, if you take as example, if we take any other one person, like Vinay, he is the same identity, but with different behaviors he will work. That means, just a minute. Vinay will, okay, just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. If Vinay will behave like with father, he will write like he will behave like affection, love, he will thoughts, affection, karma, love. If when I will behave with that means with friends, very free, and also anything can share with friends. Anything can share. When I will behave with teachers, then he will his behavior is like respect and honor. So based on the situations, the Vinay will changes. That means Vinay will same identity with different behaviors. Affection, love, free, and also can share respect and honor. Like based on the situations, different behaviors with same identity. Nothing but polymorphism. Okay, and what is compare them polymorphism, and we have to see in compare them polymorphism, runtime polymorphism. Mainly compare them polymorphism, runtime polymorphism, very important. When we know about polymorphism, these two are mandatory to know. So first one is nothing but compile time, compile time polymorphism. It is also called as compile time polymorphism, nothing but method overloading. Method overloading. Method overloading is nothing but It is a technique. Method overloading is a technique used to defining of multiple methods with with same name with different behaviors with different behaviors sorry with multiple methods with same name with different parameters is nothing but method overloading. Suppose if you take add method, something you take add method class A, class add method. Inside that we will write some, we will passing some arguments like class A and public static void main sorry void nums. Some nums is a method. Inside that method we will passing the arguments like int a comma int b. We are passing the arguments to what nums adds method void add method. So writing the problems and then this one also we are passing three arguments, same method, same name, method name, but different parameters. Okay. Just a minute, I will take this. I will take this. Okay. We are using add method. This one also add method with different parameters. Here we are passing two parameters. That means parameters is nothing but arguments. We are passing this. And here we are passing the three arguments. So these two are the same method with different parameters. This one also same method with different parameters. This is the compound and polymorphism. And second one is for one-time polymorphism. Time polymorphism. Okay. Polymorphism is nothing but uh, class name must be. It is also called as method overriding. Method overriding. Method overriding is nothing but class name and method name should be same. Is nothing but method overriding. If you take class as Galaxy, for example, Galaxy mobile, next one class Note. Inside the Galaxy, we will write some features, and the class Note, we will take some Note methods. Will extends from will extends from what Galaxy like pixels. That means system dot out dot println what we are extracting from the galaxy like pixels, some 12 pixels, some 12 something. Same start. We Vivo phone. extends that means 18 pixels. This one also one method. Here here there is a super class like galaxy. We are extending the properties from the galaxy. That means node can extending the properties from galaxy like pixels 12 MP and same Vivo also extending from galaxy like 18 pixels 18 megapixels. So class name should be same. That means same extracting from the properties. Method name and class name should be same. This galaxy should be, this is a method, this is a class name, and this is a method name. It will be extracting from the method name and class name should be same. So this is nothing but method overriding. It is also called as runtime polymorphism. These are the OOPS principles we have discussed today. Thank you.